Have you ever stopped to think about what really happens every time you take a breath? It seems so simple, in and out, but what's going on inside your lungs is actually a pretty amazing process that keeps you alive every second of the day, even when you're not thinking about it. Let me walk you through it like this. Imagine you're blowing up a balloon, but instead of just air going in, that breath of yours carries something vital: oxygen. When you inhale, air travels down your windpipe and into two large tubes called the bronchi, which then split off like branches into smaller and smaller airways inside your lungs. These tiny airways end in little balloon-like sacs called alveoli, and this is where the real magic happens. Inside each of these tiny sacs is where oxygen from the air passes through very thin walls and enters your bloodstream. It's like your lungs are handing over the oxygen to your blood, saying, "Here you go, take this to the rest of the body." And your blood, it gladly takes that oxygen and rushes it to your brain, muscles, heart, everywhere that needs it to work properly. But there's more. While your blood is picking up fresh oxygen, it's also dropping off something your body doesn't want: carbon dioxide. That's a waste gas your body makes just from being alive and using energy. So your lungs take that carbon dioxide, and when you exhale, poof, out it goes. You breathe it out without even noticing. And here's the cool part. This whole exchange happens in a flash. It takes just a few seconds. You breathe in life-giving oxygen and breathe out the stuff your body doesn't need, over and over, non-stop, all day and night. Even while you sleep, your lungs are working like quiet heroes in the background. That's why healthy lungs are so important. Smoking, pollution, or even just not moving enough can make them struggle over time. But with clean air, regular movement, and deep breaths, you can help keep them strong. So the next time you take a breath, remember, it's not just air. It's a whole life-sustaining system working silently behind the scenes to keep you going.